Welcome to Volkswagen Oldham. We're delighted to be able to walk you around our Golf R line. It's the 1.5 150 PS version with the 7-speed automatic gearbox, finished in Indian grey. The car has a couple of nice factory fitted options. It's got the panoramic sunroof and it's also got the active info display, which I'll show you shortly. The car was registered on the 2nd of May 2019 and it's had 3 services so far. It had one on the 17th of February 2020 at 6,688 miles. It's then had another oil change service in August 2020 at 16,749 miles, and it's also just had another oil change at on the 6th of November at 23,616 miles as per the current mileage. Being an R-Line, you can see it has the R-Line styling, so the deeper, more sporty front and rear bumpers. It also has the side skirts as well, and you also get the R-Line alloy wheels too. One of the other nice things is you get the privacy glass in the rear of the car as well, which finishes it off quite nicely from the outside. I'll show you to the back of the car. I'll show you in the boot. So the boot's a good size. It has a variable load floor, so that means the boot floor can be raised up or down depending on what you've got to put in it. It's currently on its lowest setting, but again, that can be raised up if you've got something heavy. It just makes it easier to slide in or out. The back seats are 60-40 split, but you do have the ski hatch in the middle, so that can drop down. You can load through the back seats but still have people sat in the back seats as well, which is quite handy. Show you into the passenger compartment. So you've got the R-Line trim on the seats, 3 full head restraints, 3 3-point seat belts, Isofix child seat preparation, and pockets on the backs of the driver's seats. Into the front. So the car has electric windows all around. It's also got heated and electric door mirrors, so obviously the heating element will defrost them in the winter. There's electric adjustment, but there's also the electric folding option. You can just see bottom left of the switch there. The R-Line also has automatic headlights, rain sensor windscreen wipers, front center armrest, R-Line sports seats. It has height adjustment on the driver's seats, and you've got driver, passenger and side airbags as well. The R-Line has the R-Line style steering wheel. It's got cruise control, which is just there. It's adaptive, so that's the latest cruise control system. And it's also got the controls on the right hand side to adjust the onboard computer. In the middle, you've got the electronic parking brake, DSG gearbox. The buttons around that, you've got the parking sensor one on the right. On the left, you've got the start stop button and the driving mode button, so you can select different driving profiles. Air conditioning, and then you've got your media system as well. It's all touch screen. The media system has sat nav built in. It's also got app connect as well. For the roof, you can see there it's got the nice big panoramic sunroof, so it lets in a lot of light. But one of the nice things about this car is it does have the active info display. So if I just get in, I'll turn the ignition on and I'll show you a couple of different modes that you can choose from. So as you can see there, you've got the traditional sort of looking display, but using the buttons here, you can actually change what you can see. So the mode that's going to load up in a second is for the navigation. So you can see there the different choices. So you've got your driver assistance view, efficiency view. So you can see on the left there you've got the average mile per gallon, consumption and range, so it tells you the range there on the right hand side. Your gear and the speed, so the gear indicated on the left, the speed indicated on the right in a traditional sort of speed on rev counter style. And then you've got your normal classic view. But if I go back down to the navigation, and then there you go. So you can actually see the sat nav whilst you're driving. So instead of having to look towards the middle of the car, you can arguably keep your eyes on the road a little bit better, and you can still zoom in and zoom out using the controls on the steering wheel. You can also transfer the map back to the centre media unit as well, and then your app connect button's just there. So that's our Golf R line. Car's available to view. If you have any questions, please give us a call. The number is 0161 652 7131. Ask for any member of the sales team. We'll be delighted to help.